Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing a haul and unboxing from Temu, and I hope that you like everything that I have to share with you. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the links to everything that you see here in the description area of my YouTube video, and also you will get a code for 30% off when it's your first time using it, purchasing from Temu. Okay, so I went ahead and reordered something here, and you'll see that in just a minute, because my BFF said she saw mine and she was like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. So you know what, I went ahead and ordered one for her. So if you've seen my previous Temu hauls, you'll know that I already have her. She is so stinking cute. I have her, and somebody mentioned here on YouTube that she was so cute, she was so pretty, and that she wanted one. So I went ahead and got another one, and this one is going out to her. So let me put this to the side. And I also got some 4x6 labels from Temu, and as far as I've seen, they're the ones with the best prices. So if you go through these like water, like I do, you will want to go ahead and check out Temu for your shipping labels, because like I said, in my opinion, they have the best prices anywhere when it comes to shipping labels. Okay, another thing that I ordered, let's see, is this beauty right here. Oh, it's big, and I like their bags. This type of bag is so reusable, you know. So let me put that down. This is a craft mat, and it's rather large. Look, it comes with measuring. I don't know if you could tell right there. It's got with measures in inches, which is absolutely fantastic. And let me just go ahead and put this down. And basically what this is for like painting. You know, when you're watercoloring and stuff, you put your brushes, you separate your colors, you put your water here and so forth. But I really don't do watercoloring. You know, the only watercoloring that I do is digital. And so, but I think that this is a really great mat for like when you're using, when you're paper piecing your die cuts and whatnot. And so what is this? Well, this goes with this, I'm sure. No, seriously, what is this? Oh, oh my goodness, look at this. It's a cup. What does it do? Well, I guess this is where you put the water or your paintbrushes. I was like, what is this? Look at it. How fun. Genius. So this is going to go to the side right there, and look at all these dies that I got. And I got more of these. Okay, this right here. I want to start making stickers. So I went ahead and I got some sticker sheets from Temu, and these are like semi-gloss, I think, too glossy, or maybe these are the glossy ones. I don't know, but I want to go ahead. I have my silhouette, and I want to start playing around making stickers. People keep asking me for stickers, and So we'll see how they go. So I have some sheets here to play with to see how, and you can go ahead, according to the instructions, you can go ahead and use your regular inkjet printer, or if you have a digital printer as well, that will do. And so this is also for inkjet printing, and of course then I cut it with my silhouette. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna need to practice some, and then I guess I'll come with a what I've learned, how to's and do's and don'ts in a video later on, much later on. So we got these, and I went ahead and got some more of these die sheets. I'm going through these like water, okay? And as far as I've seen, they are the ones with the lowest prices. Now, when you order these are not going to be as thick as the ones that you would get from other places, but you get a lot of bang for your buck when it comes to these, especially when you need a lot of them. Okay, so that's that. And let me show you the dies that I got. I got some really cute dies. I got some cup dies. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I love it. Love it. And here is a mitten die. Here's this other one. It's a mitten. So cute. Mushroom house in a cup. It's really, really cute. They're cute. I love them. Here's that one. And this one is rather large. See? This one is rather large, and this one is a basket. This is a basket die. See how big it is? Here's my teacup die, or teapot, I'm sorry, teapot die. There we go. See that? Isn't that the cutest thing? I mean, look at the size of this. That's my hand, and it goes past my wrist. So it's rather large, and this is the, to make the, whatchamacallit, the spine. See, it's a rather large die. So it's a good size mini album. Let me see, this would make a 8-inch. 8¼ inch mini album. Let me look at this. Yeah, it's an 8-inch. This is about an 8¼ almost 8¼ probably an 8 1/8. And this is an 8-inch mini album. So looking forward to playing with these. And yeah, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And in the comment section, let me know what's your favorite part of these, or what you would like me to haul from Temu. And who knows, maybe in the next haul, I may just order something for you. So thank you very much for watching. Thumbs up my video, leave me a comment, and I'll see you once again real soon. Bye.